Welcome back, Revamp Dolls. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera gel. And if you don't already know and are new to my channel, over here we create natural hair care remedies and skin care remedies for overall better health. Now, I know you're probably wondering why I cut the bottom of the aloe vera leaf and put it in a cup of water. There's this yellow sap called aloe vera latex, which drains from the aloe vera leaf when you put it in a cup of water. And this sap is irritating and can cause allergic reactions for some and cause the scalp to become really itchy, so we got to get rid of it. The best way to do this is to allow it to diffuse into the water. I've seen some people cut it into pieces and then let it sit in the water. 24 hours is ideal, or 15 to 20 minutes. However long you think is best for you, go ahead and do so. I let this sit overnight. And look at that. It's not even yellow. It's pink. I don't know what that is, but that's not good. It's going to be very irritating to the skin, and we don't want this on our face or scalp. Once the sap has been drained, it's time to cut up the aloe vera plant and scoop out the aloe vera gel. Let's talk about aloe vera gel and why it's good for the skin. It has mucopolysaccharides, which is a type of sugar, which helps bind and moisten the skin and makes it a natural moisturizer. It soothes irritating sunburns or irritations. It supports wound healing and skin repair. It's anti-aging, which is bomb, and it's an acne treatment, which is what I need because I'm dealing with a lot of skin issues with my face right now. Not to mention it evens out skin tones and helps with dark spots, scars, and blemishes. Now, I was super nervous about this latex situation. I did not want my skin to become more irritated than it is because I'm already breaking out. So I went ahead and cut it into pieces and let it diffuse in water for another 20 minutes and then took it out. And you wouldn't believe what I saw. Yes, you guessed it, the yellow sap. Inside the yellow sap is aloe, and that's what we do not want on our scalp or hair or face because it can become irritating to the body. If you drink aloe, it can become a natural laxative, but we're not even talking about ingesting it. We're talking about the skin and hair, and we don't need it. Now that our aloe-rich latex has been removed, we can go ahead and scoop out our gel. So this was my first time making aloe vera gel, and I recommend skipping the first part of cutting the bottom of the leaf and letting it sit in the water, as in cutting it into pieces is way better and more efficient. As you see, we still have latex that was in there when we left the leaf whole. Now let's talk about the benefits of aloe vera gel for the hair. Aloe is packed with water and humectants, so this is very helpful to put in moisture into that hair strand and make it softer and easier to detangle, which is huge for our kinky hair. Now, it's known to strengthen the hair shaft because I can't even say shaft right, but shaft, because it contains vitamin A, C, and E, amino acids, and proteolytic enzymes, which help strengthen weak strands and reduce breakage over time. It soothes an itchy, dry, and irritated scalp. It helps reduce dandruff, and it boosts shine. All this is awesome, and it promotes a healthy environment for growth. And as easy as that, your aloe vera gel is ready to be blended. So with this gel, we're going to create some great skincare products and hair care products, all from just making it in the kitchen. You don't need complicated routine or expensive products to take care of your skin and hair. The herb already provides everything that we need. When you understand plants, herbs, oils, and natural ingredients, you can create amazing, effective products right at home. Once blended, we're going to use a strainer to make sure we got all the bits and pieces out of the gel because we want it to be nice, pure, and clean. And that's it. We're pretty much done. You can store this in the freezer. I recommend pouring the gel into some ice cube trays, and it lasts about 2 to 6 months in the freezer. You can then pop out the cubes and store it in a Ziploc bag, and you can use it for your hair care mask and skincare mask. These aloe cubes are going to be perfect for our routines. This is what was left after I strained it. Not much at all, just a little bit of pieces here and there. And that's our pure natural aloe vera gel. It's going to give us some great benefits for our hair and skin. I poured it into a container, a glass container, because I didn't have any ice cube trays. Off camera, you better believe I put them in some ice cube trays and put them in some Ziploc bags, and I'm waiting for our next DIY routine. Get ready. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace. Love y'all.